Good morning, students. Yesterday we saw that both Maddie and Peggy were very upset at their behavior with Wanda. Okay? She dreamt, उसने सपना देखा Peggy ने, when there was no reply from Wanda's side, she waited for a reply and she saw that Maddie put herself in sleep at night making speeches about Wanda. Maddie ये प्लान सोचती थी कि वो उसको नींद में भी वांडा के बारे में स्पीच दे रही होती थी एंड इवन शी वॉज डिफेंडिंग वांडा फ्रॉम ग्रेट क्राउड्स ऑफ द गर्ल्स who were trying to tease Wanda. And before she answered, before the other girls would answer, would shout how many dresses did she have, she would ask them stop. Then everybody feel ashamed the way she used to feel. और तब बाकी सब लोगों को भी बड़ी शर्मिंदगी महसूस होती, ऐसा वो सपने में देख रही थी दैट शी वॉज शाउटिंग एट अदर गर्ल्स. नाउ इट वॉज टाइम, क्रिसमस टाइम, एंड देर वॉज स्नो ऑन द ग्राउंड. Christmas bells and small tree decorated the classroom. On the last day of school, before the holidays, the teacher showed the class a letter she had received that morning. और टीचर ने एक लेटर दिखाया. टीचर showed the class a letter which she had received that morning itself. क्लास में क्रिसमस के दिन ही एक लेटर मिला उन्हें एंड द क्लास टीचर शोड द लेटर टू द क्लास. रिमेंबर, यू रिमेंबर वांडा पेट्रोस्की, द गिफ्टेड लिटिल आर्टिस्ट who won the drawing contest? Well, she has written me. I am glad to know where she lives because now I can send her medal. I want to read her letter to you. The class sat up with a sudden interest and listened intently. Then the teacher announced that she had received a letter from Wanda Petrosky and asked the class whether they remember her or not. क्लास से पूछा, भाई तुमको वांडा याद है कि नहीं, जो हमारी कितनी अच्छी आर्टिस्ट थी. शी वॉज अ ग्रेट आर्टिस्ट एंड डू यू रिमेंबर अबाउट हर? एंड शी फेल्ट ग्लैड, शी वॉज फीलिंग ग्लैड दैट शी केम टू नो वेयर शी लिव्ड. अब उन्हें पता तो पड़ गया ना वो कहाँ रहती है, सो दैट शी कुड सेंड हर मेडल, जो कंटेस्ट उसने जीता था designing dresses. And she wanted to read aloud the letter to the class, so the class sat intently. क्लास बिल्कुल अटेंटिवली बैठ गई उसका लेटर सुनने के लिए. किसका लेटर? वांडा का. वांडा ने लेटर लिखा, डियर मिस मैसन, हाउ आर यू एंड रूम 13. अपनी क्लास के बारे में पूछा. Please tell the girls they can keep those 100 dresses because in my new house I have 100 new ones all lined up in my closet. I would like that girl Peggy to have the drawing of the green dress with red trimming, and her friend Maddie to have the blue one for Christmas. I miss that school and my new teacher does not equalize with you. Merry Christmas to you and everybody. Yours truly, Wanda Petrosky. What a touching letter she had written. क्या लिखा उसने? That आप कैसी हैं? रूम नंबर 13 मीन्स कि मेरी क्लास कैसी है. Please tell the girls that they can keep those 100 dresses. अब आप गर्ल्स से कह देना कि मेरी वो सारी 100 ड्रेसेस वो खुद रख लूँ, बिकॉज नाउ माई ओन कबर्ड इज़ फुल ऑफ द न्यू ड्रेसेस। मेरी अपनी कबर्ड में सारी नई ड्रेसेस आ गई हैं। खास तौर से all lined up in my closet. What the dresses that I have prepared, I have kept them all lined up in my new cupboard. I would like that girl Peggy to have the drawing of the green dress. मैं चाहती हूँ कि पेगी मेरी वो नई ग्रीन ड्रेस रखे जिसकी ड्राइंग है, ड्राइंग ऑफ द ग्रीन ड्रेस विद द रेड ट्रिमिंग। ट्रिमिंग होती नीचे जो बॉर्डर की डिज़ाइन बनाई जाती है। So I want that Peggy should keep the green dress with red trimming and her friend Maddie to have the blue one, और उसकी जो फ्रेंड है मेडी वो ब्लू ड्रेस रख ले। For Christmas I miss that school, और क्रिसमस पर मुझे उस स्कूल की, मेरे अपने ओल्ड स्कूल की मुझे बहुत याद आएगी। My new teacher does not equalize with you, और क्या कह रही है, that I remember my old school too much and my new teacher does not equalize with। मेरी जो नई टीचर है वो आपकी जैसी बिल्कुल नहीं है। मेरी क्रिसमस टू यू एंड एवरीबॉडी, सबको, आपको भी और सबको मेरी क्रिसमस। एंड हियर द लेटर एंड्स। वेंडा पेट्रोल्स्की ने लेटर लिखा कि ये कहते हुए कि सारी ड्रेसेस मेरी सारी गर्ल्स को दे देना, और ख़ास तौर से मैडी और पेगी को दोनों को एक एक ड्रेस उनकी फेवरेट थी। ग्रीन ड्रेस विद रेड ट्रिमिंग टू पेगी एंड ब्लू वन टू मैडी। एंड for Christmas actually I miss my old school and you too। मैं अपने पुराने स्कूल यानी अपने स्कूल को और आपको और अपनी फ्रेंड्स को बहुत मिस कर रही हूँ। सो दिस वाज द लेटर written by Wanda Petrosky। On the day home from school, Maddie and Peggy held their drawings very carefully। All the houses had wreaths and holly in the windows. Outside the grocery store, hundreds of Christmas trees were stacked, and in the window, candy peppermint sticks and cornucopias of shiny transparent paper were strung. The air smelled like Christmas, and the light shining everywhere reflected different colors on the snow. Now, when both Maddie and Peggy were coming back from the school, they held the drawings very carefully। उन्होंने उन ड्राइंग्स को बहुत केयरफुली होल्ड करके रखा। Now, today this is your work to write the meanings of these words. Wreaths, holy, HOLLY. Write these words yourself, find the meanings yourself. Cornucopias, then so these are the new words for you। When they were coming back from the school, they held their drawings very carefully। When they saw that the houses on the way were decorated, outside the grocery store, hundreds of Christmas trees were stacked। Grocery store के बाद, because it was the Christmas time and the grocery stores were stacked with Christmas trees। Then in the window, candy peppermint sticks and cornucopias of shiny transparent papers were strung. Or as you can well imagine that how beautifully the market is decorated on Christmas days, and especially on Christmas Day. So it was also decorated at that place also. Christmas trees were stacked in the window. Candy paper mint sticks और windows में peppermint sticks were also stacked. They were also arranged. और हवा में ऐसा लग रहा था कि जैसे क्रिसमस की और लाइटिंग की, बस चारों तरफ उसी की बात थी. चारों तरफ क्रिसमस ही नज़र आ रहा था. क्रिसमस का वातावरण, एनवायरनमेंट ऑफ क्रिसमस कुड बी सीन एट दैट टाइम. ओके, so light shining everywhere reflected different colors of the snow, and it snows in winter, especially in European countries. So the light which is there, it gives a beautiful scenario where it is reflected in ice, in snow. Okay, so it is, I hope you have understood it. What does it mean? What does the writer want to convey? Because it was Christmas time and all over the market, in the grocery stores, the houses were decorated. The grocery stores were decorated with Christmas tree, and the containers which were full of fruits and flowers, they were also decorated. They were also arranged. Peppermint sticks were also arranged. Candies, sweets, fruits, all were arranged everywhere. Okay, so I hope you have got it. I hope you have understood what does the letter from Wanda Petrosky convey.